Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. This is your teacher Noreen Rajput. Today I am going to teach you topic agriculture. In this video we will cover agriculture, definition, importance and branches. So let's see what is agriculture. The term agriculture is derived from two Latin words, ager and culture. Ager means soil, land and field, and culture means cultivation. So agriculture means cultivation of the soil. But is agriculture only confined in cultivation? No. It includes livestock, farming, forestry, fishes, etc. etc. The definition of agriculture is the cultivation and production of crops and plants and raising of livestock for economic purpose and human needs. In other words, agriculture is the science and art of farming, including the work of cultivating and producing crops, planting forest plants, raising livestock and rearing fishes. Now, there are three main spheres of agriculture: geoponic, hydroponic and aeroponic. Geoponic is the cultivation in earth. You can see everywhere on earth. It is normal farming. Hydroponic is cultivation in winter. In this cultivation, plants and crops are grown in water and watering place. Last one is aeroponic. Aeroponic is the cultivation in air. In this cultivation, crops are grown in air. Now I would like to tell you something about Pakistan, agriculture of Pakistan. So farmers grow crops. Agriculture means growing crops. Farmer grow crops for us. They grow crops in different months in a year. Now main crops of Pakistan are rice, cotton, sugarcane, tobacco and grams. Some crops are grown in summer and some crops are grown in winter. The crops which are grown in winter is called Rabi and which are grown in summer is called Kharif. The name of crops are grown in summer are rice, maize, cotton, and crops which are grown in winter are wheat, grams, sugarcane and tobacco. The growing period for winter crops is for 3 months and summer crops are grown for 6 months. Now it was all about today's topic. If you have any difficulty, so you can message me and ask me. Now I will send your homework from page number 68. You have to do this page number 68. On this page there are two questions. In question 1 you will write the grain. Which grain is used in the following dishes? Here are written some name of some dishes. You have to write the grain of these dishes. And in second question there is puzzle. You have to solve these questions. If you have any difficulty, so you can ask me through message. Thank you so much.